In today's video, we will be talking about the moa. It was a group of large, flightless birds native to New Zealand, now extinct. These imposing creatures were hunted to extinction by the Maori people within a few hundred years of their arrival on the islands, ranging in size from turkey, like to as tall as 12 feet. Moas played a significant role in the island's ecosystem. Unlike other flightless birds, they had lost not only the ability to fly, but also their wings entirely. The moa's extinction serves as a cautionary tale about the rapid impact humans can have on native species